Hello, my name is Caden, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the hood latch on my 1990 Pontiac Bonneville. This is also the same hood latch as an Oldsmobile 98, which is where I got my replacement hood latch actually. Things you will need: 10mm wrench or a socket just for removing these drills faster, of course. Pair of pliers. And your different hood latch, and that's really all there is to it, and it's really easy. So the first step, take your needle nose pliers and squeeze these two little tabs down and push this through your little bracket there. Once you get this out, go ahead and remove your plastic bracket here. Now that that's done and you have space to put your wrench back there, actually the next thing we're going to do, there's this little tab you see there. Your cable slides through that, if my camera would freaking focus. But anyway, there's a little metal tab there. Just pry it back with a wrench or a screwdriver and slide your cable out of there. Now that our cable is loose and out of there, we can now disconnect our latch. Now kind of pay attention exactly about how far it sticks up. You're going to want to put it at the same spot to make sure it's lined up correctly. Alright, and once the two 10mm bolts are removed, there you have it, your hood latch is out. And for your new one, the install is exactly the reverse of removal. But I'll show you what that looks like when it's complete anyway. And there we have it, all put back together, just like the original. Thanks for watching.